Chicho, Sara and Nicola are back from Sicily. And as you can see, there is the Sicilian goodies spread around everywhere. These are dried figs. And here we have the big baby pumpkin! Just to be clear, the pumpkin is not from Sicily. We bought it here in London. Wow! It looks so good!
Smells so good. Like a watermelon.
Smells. Oh yeah, that smells really good.
It smells like watermelon. Oh, this is so juicy.
So tell us, what's the plan? Are we making a lasagna?
We're making lasagna instead of tomato sauce, which I'm intolerant to. I'm gonna make pumpkin sauce.
Yeah.